Hello, and welcome to the Office of Admission, Records and Retention. Today we'll go over how to withdraw from a course while we go through the COVID-19 pandemic and we exercise social distancing. During the academic year, students can withdraw from individual courses after the add or drop period. A grade of W will be assigned for the course withdrawn before the last day to withdraw with W. See the academic calendar for the date. While the W grade is non-punitive and has no effect on the GPA, students may be responsible for a portion of the tuition and fees associated with the course withdrawal. However, a grade of F will be assigned for courses withdrawn after the last day to withdraw with a W. With the college practicing social distancing and COVID-19 precautionary procedures, students may follow the procedures below. Open your college email address. Create a new email and place course withdrawal as the subject. Type in your request of withdrawal indicating the course number, section and your instructor. Don't forget to type in your name at the bottom. Send your email to the Office of Admission, Records and Retention. See the email addresses by campus on the boxes. This is an example of how your emails should look like. When your request was processed, you should be receiving a confirmation email which is also copied to the instructor of your course or class. If you have questions, please do feel free to contact the Office of Admission, Records and Retention. Thank you.